Good morning, my dear students. Let us continue active voice and passive voice. Yesterday we have seen some examples of the active voice and passive voice. So today we are going to learn again the active voice and passive voice. Let us see now simple present tense. If the sentence of simple present tense, so how to be converted that sentence into passive voice, because tense is most important for the voice. According to the tense, we have to take the to be forms. That is why it is most important to recognize the tense in the sentence. So let us see first of all simple present tense. For example, all scientists know this fact. This is a sentence and this sentence is in the present tense, simple present tense. So how to be convert into passive voice? Let us see. First of all, we should know the subject, object and verb, because we have learned subject become object and object become subject, and then the past participle of the verb, and according to the tense we have to be taken to be form, and then by prepositional phrase, and after that subject become object. These are the rules to change the active voice into passive voice. So let us see this fact is all scientists know this fact. So this fact is object in this sentence. All scientists, this is the subject in this sentence, and know this is the verb in this sentence. And what is the tense in this sentence? Because know this is the verb and know this is the first form of the verb. So this sentence is in the simple present tense. So let us see. So object become subject. While you are going to change the active voice into passive voice, this is the rule. Object become subject. So we have taken here this fact. So this fact, it is a singular noun. So and present tense is here. So to be form, what mean by the to be form here? Is. This fact is. Now then we have to take the past participle of the verb. Know. What is the past participle of know? Know, knew, known. So we have taken here known, and then before going to change the subject become object, so then we have to take the by prepositional verb phrase. So we have taken here by, and then subject become object, means by all scientists. This is the passive voice. So what we have taken here? This fact object, then according to the subject, singular or plural, and according to the tense, to be form here is. Then we have taken the past participle of the verb known, and then before going to take the subject, then we have taken here by prepositional phrase, and then subject become object, all scientists. So this way we have changed the active voice into passive voice. Another example is here. They sing poem. So sing, it is a first form of the verb. So this sentence is in the present tense. So let us see. First of all, we will recognize the subject, object and verb. So what is the subject in this sentence? They. What is the object here? Poem. Then what is the verb here? Sing. Then what is the rule here? Object become subject, poem. What is the tense here? Present tense, and poem is a singular noun. So to be form here will be here is. Poem is. Then we have to take the verb. What is the verb here? Sing. Then we have to take the past participle of the verb sung. Then we have to take the subject become object. Then before going to take that subject, we have to take the by prepositional phrase, and then they become them. They become them because they is becoming the object. So what is the sentence here? Poem is sung by them. It is a simple way to understand, to convert the active voice into passive voice. But first of all, we should recognize the subject, object, and verb. Now, these are the examples of simple present tense. Now, let us see present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. For example, she is teaching us English. What is the sentence here? She is teaching us English. So, let us see. She is the subject, teaching is the verb, and us is the object because she is teaching us. Us is the object. Us. Then we have to take here. She is teaching us English. She is teaching us English. Subject, verb, and object. What will be here? Object? English. So English is the object here. English. Then according to a rule, object becomes subject. English. Singular noun. To be form here is according to the tense, and then ing become being. Then third form of the verb taught, and taught to us because remaining part of the sentence, and then subject become object. But before we have to put the by prepositional phrase by her. She become her because subject is becoming here object. She become her. They become them. He become him. So this will be the change in the passive voice. Number two, the boys are cutting the grass in the lawn. Boys are cutting the grass in the lawn. So the boys are the subject, and cutting, it is a verb, and the grass, it is a object, and in the lawn, this is the remaining part of the sentence. The grass in the lawn, it can be taken. So the grass object, the grass in the lawn, the grass because it is singular noun. To be form here is because it is a present continuous tense. So to be form here is, and then because ing adding here to the verb, so ing become being. In the passive voice, the grass in the lawn is being. Then the past participle of the verb here, cut. What is the third form of the cut? Cut. And then the subject become object, means the boys. But before to take the subject, we have to put the prepositional phrase by the boys. So what will be the sentence here? The grass in the lawn is being cut by the boys. So this is the example of present continuous tense. Now let us move to the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. What will be the change of the present perfect tense sentence into passive voice? I have written a book. I have written a book. I subject, because have written, it is a indicate that have plus V3 means it is a present perfect tense. A book, it is a object. So same rule here also. A book it is a singular because it is a singular noun, and so that is why we cannot take have, we should take has. Now what is the rule here? Present perfect tense has been. To has been, auxiliary verb has been, then written, third form of the right, wrote, written, already written here, so we have taken here written, and I become me. I become me because subject is becoming object here, so I become me. I become me. He become him. She become her. They become them. So this will be changed in the passive voice. If the pronoun here I, it will become me. If the pronoun here he, it will become him in the passive voice. If there is a she will become her, and they will become them. Now another example here. We have elected her monitor of our class. We have elected. That is means in the present perfect tense, because have or has and plus V3 means that sentence is in the present perfect tense. So the present perfect tense we have to change into passive voice. We have elected her. Her, it is the object in this sentence. So her become she because it will become the subject here. Object become subject. So her we have to change into she. She, singular noun. So present perfect tense has, because she we cannot add have. That is why has, and has because passive voice means has been, to be form here been. Then third form of the verb elected. She has been elected monitor of our class by us. So what is the sentence here? She has been elected monitor of our class. It is the remaining sentence of the sentence. We have to take including monitor of our class. It is a one word, and we become us. So she has been elected monitor of our class by us. We become us. So you should see these pronouns will be changed into these possessive pronouns. This possessive pronoun, and that is why. So this is the example of present perfect tense. So let us stop here and then let us continue.